Introducing ThoughtSpot's newest release, 10.12 Cloud, the latest in agentic analytics, so you can create personalized insights, take action, and drive decisions. Coaching Spotter is now easier than before. You can add reference questions directly from your conversations using Add to Coaching to teach Spotter which columns to use when answering questions, helping make Spotter's responses smarter and more effective. KPI alert emails just got richer. They now include visualizations and show period-over-period changes and threshold conditions, giving you instant context on what's shifting and why. Act quickly without leaving your inbox. You can now set up multiple configurations per connection in Databricks and Google BigQuery. Assign configurations to users, groups, or system processes so that duplication is reduced, governance is strengthened, and costs and computing load are easier to manage. For the business person, ThoughtSpot continues to enable you to forge a data-fluent culture. Cover pages and filter pages aren't always necessary. Tailor Laveboard PDF exports by toggling cover pages and filter pages for more organized, relevant reports. Administrators can also set organization-wide defaults to keep all reports consistent. For analysts, ThoughtSpot helps you build your career as the analyst of the future. Streamline your workflows by adding business terms to Coach Spotter without starting a conversation. Click Add Business Term to open the coaching flow and help Spotter understand and retain key business definitions. For example, let's add a product category term that maps to the item type attribute, ensuring that whenever you use product category, Spotter will consistently reference item type. No hallucinations. Additionally, testing changes to your data models, formulas, or even updates to your data is quicker, as you can rerun a query without modifying it or refreshing the browser. Just click Go and see the updates reflect in your visualization. You can now sort attributes at the answer level, giving you granular control over how charts display data. This lets you override model defaults, so each visualization reflects exactly what you need, making analysis more precise and tailored to your questions. Formulas just got easier to use. Specify exactly which grouping columns to include in query groups using the new syntax, making formulas easier to maintain as you no longer need to manually exclude new columns added to the model. And 2 new functions for semi-additive measures, last value in period and first value in period, are available to all users by default. For the IT ops engineer, ThoughtSpot always focuses on enabling you to balance control with freedom. The TML import and export just got a makeover, making it easier to work with. Large or complex imports now run asynchronously, so you can work without timeouts or manual splitting and monitor progress as they run, keeping workflows smooth and saving you time. ThoughtSpot Bridge gives you secure cloud connections without relying on private link, VPC peering, or VPN tunnels. And we now support Azure Synapse, ClickHouse, and Dremio. That's the latest from ThoughtSpot, where agentic analytics turns insights into action.